Okay, now we are going to look a little bit closer at the occupations that were in your results from Missouri Connections yesterday. And I'm actually going to ask you to look over the options that seem to be suited best for you. And you're going to write down 10 occupations that you um, think look the most interesting. So, first of all, here on Google Classroom, you're going to open this dock of potential occupations. It's going to open up one just for you. And this is what it looks like. So you're going to go ahead and put in your name, what hour you have personal finance, and then you are going to list 10 different occupations that look interesting. So here is the link to Missouri Connections as well. You will need to sign in. Again, if you have any issues with that, let me know. I can reset your password again if need be. But once you're on the screen, you're going to hover over My Portfolio and click on Sort and Assessment Results. And then that is going to take you to any tests that you have ever taken while signed into Missouri Connections. So over here to the left, if it doesn't automatically take you to Career Cluster Inventory, that's the one you need to click on. And then the topmost answer set is going to be the one hopefully that you took most recently, which was hopefully yesterday or today. So if you click on that, it's going to show you here your answers have been restored. You just click continue, and then it takes you back to this screen. And again, you should be able to click on the ones that you scored at the highest and go down to occupations and then explore those occupations a little bit to see which occupations look the most interesting to you. Now, what if you already know what you want to do and it's not listed? Maybe you scored high in finance and information technology, like I did, but you really want to be in human services. Um, I'm saying that for one thing, maybe you were not taking the test seriously and you answered things that gave you a weird result. I would suggest going back and retaking the test so that you can get accurate results, because that's what this is about, to hopefully help you steer it. Hopefully help to steer you in the right direction as you are potentially thinking about what you want to do after high school and trying to find something that is actually a good fit for your interests and your personality. Now, for example, I am a teacher, but education and training is way down here on my list. Does that mean that I can't be a teacher? Can't be a good teacher? I guess that's up for debate. But one thing is, you can look over the overview for the thing that you think you're interested in doing, and you can say, okay, even though my test results came back that this was not one of my highest scoring areas, maybe I would still enjoy it and maybe I would still be good at it. But hopefully, you will find some other activities as well that you want to explore, other occupations, that you want to explore. And so don't limit yourself too much. I'm talking about 10 whole things that you may want to pursue after high school. And that's as far as we're going to go with it today. Once you've gotten those 10 occupations listed on here, you should be able to just go back to Classroom and hit Turn In. It's already attached.